Hello, welcome to today's tutorials. In today's tutorials, I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms. Google Forms is easy to create and easy to operate. So to create Google Forms, you just need to open your browser and you type in Google Forms. Okay, so here are the forms, but make sure you already have an account, Google account. So you just open the Google Forms. Okay, here we have blank. We have contact information. When you want to receive information, contact information from someone, RSV. We have party invite, t-shirt sign up. So for now, you click on the blank because we are going to create a new Google Forms. You will click on the blank. Okay, so here is title form, title of the form, and here is the form description. Maybe title you type, the title maybe I will type learn tech fast, learn tech fast. Okay, you can highlight it, bold it, or anything. You can insert picture, images, and the form description. Great. The form description is how to create Google Forms. Okay, so we have done. So first one is email. You just change the settings, make this a quiz, responses, or anything. But first one is email. You just move on to the second one, which is the question. So here you can select maybe your name and a short answer. You can here is short answer. You can select paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes. Checkboxes is like maybe that person will just tick, maybe male or female, and that person will tick. We have drop now, and here you leave a space for that person to upload it, maybe picture or document. Linear scale, multiple choice, checkbox grade, date, time. So here is short answer. So if the thing is required, if it's important or it's necessary, like it's by force, or it's important for that person to answer that space. So if that person leave that space blank, then he or she will not be able to send that form. It will ask him or it will prompt him to type or answer that question. So it's just required. And you click here to add another option. You click here, the plus button, to add another option. And you click here to import question, maybe from Word document or PDF or PowerPoint. You import. You click here to add title or description. You click here to add images. Click here to add video. And click here to add section. So maybe your name. You type maybe YouTube account, your YouTube account, and I will not select short answer, maybe checkboxes, and number one option maybe let's make it true. Yes. 2 years. And I'll add another and make it maybe another option. YouTube account. Yeah, let's make it here. Okay, so here I'm done. And this is required to Okay, so after everything, you will just send it. Let me send it. Okay, so maybe you can send it via email to someone, or you can click here to copy the link. Okay, so I'll copy the link. I'll copy what? The link. So I've copied the link. So you can shorten it here. I've using form.google. So let me copy this. So I've copied. So let me cancel this. Okay, so I know all changes have been saved. So I'll open new account and I will paste the link here to show you that I'm done with what the Google Forms. It's easy as ABC. So as you can see, our forms are open to email, maybe email. I'm not selecting email, so your name maybe learn fast. And YouTube is 2 years, and I will submit. Email, I'll type my email, maybe .com. So here is it. Okay, then I will submit it. Done. You can submit another response. I did not clear this, or I did not select any option for that. That's why you can submit another response. So here, I'm going to check I'm the one that created the forms. And you can see response has been giving me a notification that I have one notification here. So meaning someone has responded to my forms or has answered any questions from my form. So I'll just open it. As you can see who has responded. One response. You can see email. Name. The name is Lentech First, and YouTube account here is 2 years. This is simple as ABC. Creating a Google form is simple as ABC. It doesn't require any much ideas or brainstorming or anything. It's simple. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe and share for other people to have been able to create Google forms or get access to my YouTube account. Thank you all.